As we proceed adding more components and business processes to our farm harvest management application, it gets huge, making it difficult to manage, monitor, and enhance some of its features for future innovation. It gets difficult also to decentralize all of its business processes in order for us to capture the logs and audit trails of each of its services. That is why we have this chapter to guide us on how to decouple all of its business processes using the microservice design pattern so that we can use Spring Boot's actuator module in order to observe and monitor each of these business processes and further organize and structure them by applying other design patterns. Let us now start the first part of this chapter, which is breaking down our monolithic application into microservices. A microservice architecture is a robust and scalable divide and conquer way of breaking down a huge monolithic application into smaller autonomous business units. And one of the popular framework that supports the building of these microservices is Spring Boot 2.2 platform. Let us now apply this microservice design pattern to our farm harvest management application. A microservice unit is a running application that has its own automated deployment strategy, service monitoring capability, most of the time uses REST services in exposing its business components, and has its own data management control, exception handling, tracing, and logging features. That is why from one big project, we have now 3 Spring Boot 2.2 projects here, implementing the microservices for our login, harvest or product, and basket or order module. Each uses REST services in exposing its transactions, there, uses log4j2 for its logging, uses Spring Data JPA to manage its repositories, has its own exception handlers, and lastly, has a Spring Boot actuator module to enable overall monitoring of the application. We have just shown you how easy it is to set up, configure, and develop microservices using Spring Boot 2.2 platform.